Let me show you something.
Hey guys, it's Jose the Web Wizard here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be going through a tutorial on how to add an on-click function to your button. If you want to create a button like this or something similar, there's 2 other videos before this one that you can go through, and that'll teach you how to do that. If you want to create the exact style of this button, here's the CSS, you can go through and copy that. I'll leave it here for a second, you can just pause the video. Okay, let's get straight into it. First thing we're going to do is on click, and that's going to tell the HTML that when we click this we want something to happen. Window location, href, right there, that's going to tell us that on click we want it to go somewhere into a different window location. That's going to open the window. Now once we've got the href, we can start typing in the address that we want to go to. So https:// and today we're just going to use google.com.au just as an example. Close that out. If we were to save this and publish, our button should take us to Google. There we go. Now just one quick last thing we're going to do is in the CSS we're going to add a box shadow. There we go. Box shadow, and then 0 EM, and EM is just another form of measurement too. If you guys were wondering, 15 EM, 0, let's go 65 EM, and then 0 EM. And we're going to have to put a color on the end of that too. And unless you wanted a white shadow on a white background, you probably wouldn't be able to see that, so we'll just stick with a black 0, 0, 0. And we can copy this over into our hover. And then we have it. You can see there is a shadow behind it. You can make the shadow a little prettier if you wanted to. You can move it around using these different measurements. But that's all we're going to do today. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.